We began excavation in upper area 1. There are several areas up here we're going to work on. Number 1 granddaughter is running the backhoe, learning that, and we'll get her on the loader after a while too. I'm going to take most of this material and put it over in the edge of the driveway, make the driveway a little wider. In the wintertime it was a little testy sometimes getting around over there, and just makes it easier if we have a little wider drive. So far the digging hasn't been too bad. We did run into one big rock right at the very beginning. I'm going to play with that a little more later, see if we need to move it, and if we do, how big that sucker is. Granddaughter's getting instruction from her dad, what exactly he wants to do. She's learning the hoe pretty good. It's just going to take a while. That's an old hoe. It's 4-stick control. It's pretty loose jointed, so it's a little bit of a challenge to run. She'll learn it. I'm going to use a little dump truck to haul some dirt over there too. Just move more dirt more efficiently. There's nothing about this project that's quick and simple. This old equipment has its limitations. It does the best it can. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Your support helps us a lot. Hit that like button. Getting kind of dark out now. We're getting ready to wrap it up. Granddaughter's on the loader now and learning how to operate it, so she'll have it down pretty quick. Pretty fast learner. Another day coming to an end at the ranch. Time for a cold beverage and some relaxed time.